Welcome to Cheeky Kids Land.
Hello, kids. Let's draw a cute candle. Try to draw with me. Okay, so LS RTS drawing. Now draw a candle bottle. This is very easy way to draw. Try to draw with me. Now make it cute. Draw eyes to make it cute. Draw two eyes. I gave done my drawing. Now make it a new neat look. Woo hoo woo hoo woo hoo woo hoo woo hoo woo hoo hoo ha woo hoo. Okay, friends, so let's coloring. Okay, so let's start coloring. First, take the pink color for girls. Then take orange color. I almost done, and why drawing? If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.